So I want to debunk something that you see on social media all the time, and that is that there is no value in college education and that it is a terrible financial investment. Statistically, this is so inaccurate. I published an article for Entrepreneur Magazine discussing the statistics involved with individuals who are millionaires and individuals who make over $200,000 a year. Individuals who are millionaires, which means that the net value of all of their assets, discluding their primary residence, totals to $1 million or more. 88% of these individuals have a college degree. That is roughly 9 of 10 individuals, which means that without a college degree, you have roughly a 10% chance of becoming a millionaire. It's also important to note that individuals making $200,000 or more annually, almost 80% of them have a college degree. That is 8 in 10 individuals. If you want to make $200,000 or more annually without a college degree, you have a 20% chance of it. So you can say all day long, college is a scam, the financial system is set up against you when you go to college, and the truth of the matter is that the numbers are in favor of individuals who are graduating from college. Now, take that with a grain of salt, truly, because I know plenty of individuals who are college graduates and they do absolutely nothing that has to do with their college degree. But a lot of them will tell you that the education or the way that they were taught to think in college has set them up to be successful in other business avenues. There is value to college. Do not let these people on social media tell you that there is not. Statistically, there is value in college.